Hello everyone, myself Dr. Anwesha Mukherjee, currently working as an assistant professor and head of the Department of Computer Science, Mukherjee College. Today I will discuss on doubly linked list. In my previous lecture, I have discussed on circular linked list, before that single linked list. Today I will discuss on doubly linked list. These are my contents. Now what is a doubly linked list? In case of single linked list, what we have seen? Single linked list is a group of nodes where each node contains a pointer, each node contains data and pointer to the next node. Here one thing will be inserted. That means each node not only contains pointer to the next node but also pointer to the previous node. So we can define doubly linked list as a list that contains a group of nodes where each node has one pointer to the previous node, one pointer to the next node and data. As you can see here, I have defined a structure where I have maintained a data that is of integer time, a pointer to the next node and pointer to the previous node. As you can see from the structure I have defined. So now from the figure you can see we have a doubly linked list containing three nodes. The last node, the next of the last node is set to null and the previous of the first node is set to null. And you can see here each node is maintaining pointer to the previous as well as to the next node. Okay. So to create a doubly linked list, again the user will be asked to enter the number of nodes. If for the first time the list is being created, that means the starting node will be created, and then the previous of that starting node will be set to first previous will be set to null, then the starting node will be created, then that will be the starting node. Okay, that because the previous of the starting node is what is null. Okay, is the node will be else if the list is containing a node or more than one node, then a new node will be created. Then the previous of the new node will be the previous the last node, and then the user will be asked to enter the data for that node, and next will be set to null. So here this p next equals to null. This is as same as in case of single linked list. Only the difference you can see here that p previous equals to null and p previous equals to p. That means we have to maintain a previous pointer also. The display function is same as in case of single linked list. Until it reaches the null, it will display the content of each node. Okay. So now for insertion, again three cases are possible here. Suppose we have to insert a node at the end, what we will do? Suppose we have to insert the node 46 at the end. Then the previous last node was what? Was 16. So next of 16 will be set to 46 and next of 46 will be set to null and previous of 46 will be set to what? Set to 16. If between the nodes, suppose between 4 and 16 it has to be inserted, then previous of 46 will be 4, previous of the node containing 4 will be next of the node containing 4 will be 46, 46 next will be the node containing 16, the node containing 16 the previous of it will be 46. Okay, if at the first it has to be inserted, then the next of this node 46 will be 7, that means the previous head, and the previous of 46 will be set to null and previous of 7 will be set to 46. Okay. Now for deletion, again three cases are possible. If one node has to be deleted, then its position is important. If it is at the very beginning, if it is at the beginning, then the next of that will be now new head and previous of that will be set to null. For example, you can see here if we have to delete 7, then 4, previous of 4 will be set to null. Okay. Now you can see if between the nodes, suppose 46 has to be deleted, which is between 4 and 16, then previous of 16 will be set to 4, next of 4 will be set to 16. If the last node is to be deleted, then the previous node of the last node, the next of that will be set to null. And in each of this case, after deletion, the memory allocated to this node will be free. Okay. Now what are the applications? These what are the applications of doubly linked list? Doubly linked list is used in the navigation system, so that both front and back navigations are required because it is maintaining both the pointers, previous and next. It is implemented in to implement the undo redo functionality. Then it can be used. It is used in deck of cards in games to represent various states of a game. Again, doubly linked list can be used. So, thank you for attending this 2 week course program on linked list. You can mail me if you have any query. You can provide your feedback also. Thank you for attending again.